In 2027, the streets are whispering a different kind of nostalgia. Among the roar of electric cars and the hum of self-driving pods, a metallic shimmer catches the light, something that takes you back in time, yet feels perfectly at home in the future. This isn't just any ride, it's a metallic vintage tricycle, reborn with modern craftsmanship, yet holding tightly to its old soul. Picture the polished chrome, so reflective you can almost see your childhood grinning back at you. The frame, sculpted with curves and lines that echo designs from the 1930s, gleams under the sun like a piece of rolling art. But this isn't a museum piece gathering dust, this is a living, breathing machine meant to be ridden, shown off, and cherished. Each pedal stroke feels deliberate, carrying with it the weight of history and the thrill of innovation. Collectors and riders alike are calling it the rebirth of the tricycle's golden era. These 2027 metallic vintage tricycles aren't just about moving from point A to point B, they're about slowing down, feeling the road beneath you, and letting the wind tell you stories from a century ago. Every bolt and joint is crafted from premium alloys, giving them the strength to outlast trends and the elegance to never go out of style. You're not just buying a ride, you're buying a conversation starter, a head-turner, a piece of mechanical poetry. And it's not just for nostalgia hunters. Urban riders are discovering how effortlessly these tricycles glide through narrow lanes, how their stability makes them a joy to ride for all ages, and how their classic design turns a mundane commute into a parade. Even in the middle of a high-tech city, you can hear the faint ting of a brass bell, the rhythmic whir of the chain, and the admiring murmurs of strangers who stop to stare. What's truly magical is the way these tricycles bridge generations. For some, they bring back memories of afternoons spent racing down sidewalks. For others, they're a first taste of cycling freedom. Grandparents, parents, and children can all take turns riding, each bringing their own story to the handlebars. And with modern engineering hidden beneath the vintage frame, sealed bearings, rust-proof metals, and precision gear systems, they promise the smoothest ride you've ever had on three wheels. Imagine the golden glow of a late summer evening. The street is quiet, except for the gentle hum of your tires. You take a slow turn, the metallic paint shifting colors under the fading light, and for a brief moment, you're not in 2027 anymore, you're in another time entirely. That's the magic of these tricycles, they don't just move your body, they move your heart. In a world obsessed with speed, efficiency, and constant upgrades, the metallic vintage tricycle stands as a gentle rebellion. A reminder that beauty, history, and craftsmanship are worth holding on to. And for those who understand, it's not just a ride. It's a time machine on three wheels.